Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SKULLCANDY Dime free earbuds and I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix that your sound from your phone shudders. So at first, check whether your earbuds and phone or tablet are updated to their latest versions. It may be an issue which is caused by Android as an OS itself or iOS. And if it didn't help you and you have the latest version, that's okay. When using the earbuds, avoid obstructing the area around the phone camera, here and at the back, to ensure that the reception of the signals is smooth. And yeah, in the Android phone we have an option called Special Audio, as you can see here. Make sure to disable this option, and if it didn't help you, you have to do a hard reset. Goodbye.